And while that's churning away, let's take a look at the
swing
scalper. I heard a few scalp signals fire earlier, but it wasn't anything that I was really interested in just because it was so early in the day. Notice how we had all these scalp signals fire all the way down here off of what was very obvious lows. Would I take the entry at the hash mark? No, probably not. Not with all these lows only another tick or two away.
swing.
You know, for the extra $10 or $15 it's going to cost you, put your order below the low. Remember, the hash mark is only a suggestion. All right, the Falcon is calling to me again. And we're starting to print buy dots. So we've got a buy dot here. We've got a buy dot here. We should finish 793.30, which would give us the opportunity to buy 798.30, buy 798.40. That's a $300 trade. Let's see what happens if it's going to print that hash mark. You see, here's another example. We have this swing high right here, but I'm going to show you something in just a moment. Might be following away. What I intend to do here is I intend to let the hash mark print, because sometimes you'll get two dots before you get a signal, even with the trend. For instance, here was red dot, then you get your signal bar. Well, it looks as though we might have a minute here, so let me show you what I was going to talk about. You know how I always say if the support level is nearby, usually you want to enter on the other side, and that's certainly a possible strategy here. We have had higher highs though, so if you wanted to enter a little bit early here, chances are pretty good that we're going to see some sort of breakout here. That's why I was placing my order on the entry versus placing my order on the other side of the line. Of course, nothing says that you can't take it on the other side of the line. You can see your risk amount is still going to be the same. And if you're at all apprehensive about it, then that's certainly the thing to do. Remember, you'll never know with absolute certainty what the market is going to do. Sorry if anybody has ever misled you into believing that, but funny thing about trading, you don't know. like Ray said, this side of my chart is all black. I don't know where it's going to go. This side, it's easy to figure out what the market's going to do. Not so easy to do on this side here. So you can see, regardless of whether we entered at the hash mark or on the other side, we'd still be long. But the Falcon is saying short-term rally going on in the mini Russell. So let's take a look. Get up there, you guys. Come on. Don't leave me hanging for a couple of ticks. If you're wondering why it stalled at 799.50, it's because it's every which way. About the choppiness here? All right. This is it right here. Take a screenshot, save it, because this is what choppiness looks like. You've got multicolored bars. Look at your macro filter. It is all over the place here. Your micro filter, all over the place. And then, of course, your micro scalp filter at the bottom just keeps flipping color back and forth, back and forth, back. So nothing at all tradable here. The DTS, the hawk, tells you quite plainly this is not a market that you want to be trading right. In fact, anywhere between here and down here, you're asking for. You're just asking for somebody to take your money. Please, please take it.